Hey guys, what is up? And today I will be showing you guys how to generate Fortnite account. So everybody might be wondering, how can I get free V-Bucks? I want to save money, but I want to get free V-Bucks. How do I do that though? So generate Fortnite account. That's simple. All you go onto is your web browser, and it's simple. Right, go to any web browser, it doesn't matter which one, as long as you write Fortnite account generator. That's all you need to do. Press this one. Fortnite account generator. This computer kind of doesn't work. This laptop doesn't work. Oh my god, this computer sucks. I mean, guys, it's moving by itself. Where is the mouse gone? This is all because of my stupid idiot brother. Okay, go into Fortnite here. It doesn't matter actually what you want. Click generate. This laptop here, I need to take it to the fixing store somewhere like. Okay. Guys, if you want, you could like drag it. I prefer write it cause yeah. .eu now slash d f z t y 2. Wait, no. Okay, I am not a robot. Oh my god. Bridge. Okay, this one. I think this one is a bridge. Yeah, this one. I am not a robot, thank you. Okay, your link is almost ready. Come on. 14. See guys, the reason I'm doing this on this device, a Mac, is because you see my PC, I have Fortnite, Epic Games on it, but there's a script here. It's causing all the web browsers to run slowly, and I can't wait like 2 hours just to generate my Fortnite account. Okay, please wait. And then I'll write the link in. So get link. There it is. See, tomorrow I'll write this in. Okay, so there we go. Password and email right there. If you like, you could write your own one. Yeah, and there is, you guys could use this. Because I have many other names. Fabian.hut. Who? What's that say? What does this freaking thing say? Who? Fabian.hoot1@outlook.com. .d. What's that mean? Well, yeah. So, and the password is capital B, and then LACOPS3. Guys, look, I mean, I'm not touching the mouse and it was just moving. It was right over here and it was just moving like, all around. Well, anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please do smash that like button. And of course, I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on notifications to be in the notification squad, and peace. High five. High five. Bye. Okay, now my mouse doesn't want to move.